I have always loved dirt bikes. कौन सी वाली है ये? We don't get this in India. Is this a Husqvarna e-service? Wow! Look at the long suspension and the tires, huh? अरे यार ऐसे बाइक मतलब मस्त है. Plus what is this? I haven't seen anything like this. ये fuel tank से पाइप इधर क्यों आ रहा है? I have no idea, man. But this is something new that I'm seeing. We have reached Pokhara. I slept quite a lot in the car. Next time definitely bike पे ही आने वाले हैं. This was just one of a kind of trip, you know, जो कि मैंने बाइक में नहीं किया. The hotel should be just beside the Phewa lake in Pokhara, which is one of the most beautiful scenic places in Pokhara. We reached our hotel at Pokhara, Hotel Crystal Palace. जो दिख रहा है that one is our hotel. अब जाके check in कर लेते हैं, फिर I'll catch up. This was also booked from booking.com. This was a super deluxe room, so I've already told you the advantages of booking from booking.com. My referral link will also be in the description below. If you want to book from there, please do so from my referral link. उससे मेरा भी थोड़ा बहुत हेल्प हो जाएगा. I hope you like those time lapses. पोखरा में हम जहाँ पे हैं, as you already saw in the drone shots, that's very close to the Phewa lake, which is one of the main attractions in Pokhara. अभी हम लोग जाएंगे और we can take a walk by the side of the lake. Let's see, we'll probably do some shopping, roam around Pokhara. चलो. बाइक पे मैं जब भी ट्रिप्स करता हूँ, बाकी घर वालों के लिए कोई भी सामान लेके जाना नामुमकिन हो जाता है. Right now, this is the opportunity. I rarely do trips on rented cars and rarely travel on buses, trains and all. इस बार थोड़ा different है. Last time I actually traveled on a train was in 2015 when I shifted to Kolkata from Delhi. The hotel is pretty good. सिर्फ हम लोगों का टॉप फ्लोर पे है और लिफ्ट भी नहीं है, तो वही एक प्रॉब्लम है. वैसे नेपाल में इस बार हम लोगों ने 2 सिम कार्ड्स नहीं दिए. द ड्राइवर राजन प्रोवाइडेड अस विद अ सिम कार्ड एंड दैट वाज इट. एक सिम कार्ड से ही काम चला रहे हैं. नेपाल में ट्रैफिक रूल्स ज़्यादा फॉलो नहीं होता एंड most motorcycles ride in a rash way. Rash driving बहुत ही rampant है. Wow, there are so many tattoo studios. I remember my tattoo vlog. Well, by the way, that is the last vlog that I posted before coming to Nepal. और जैसे कि आप लोगों को पता है, I don't carry a laptop with me, so I don't edit on the go. Electric bikes for hire or sale. Rafting, trekking. Pokhara has a lot of things to do. This was my first time to Nepal and I really did a big mistake by not staying in Pokhara for much days. I'm just staying in Pokhara for tonight and tomorrow night. So yeah, that was a mistake on my part. I should not have spent so much time at Nagarkot. 2 nights at Nagarkot was definitely not necessary. In fact, Kathmandu भी, जैसे कि मैंने पहले भी कहा, only for the mountain flight, visiting Kathmandu is not necessary. So next time, if you are actually planning to enjoy Nepal completely, I think you should come to Pokhara. You might as well skip Kathmandu. The ambience here is really nice. Boat for rent. कल आके हम लोग बोटिंग वगैरह कर सकते हैं. I don't think this camera is being able to capture. हाँ, faintly आप देख सकते हो. मतलब all through the banks of this lake, there are so many lit places, and I think those are shack-like structures. The ambience of these places are similar to the shacks that you see in Goa. बस फर्क यही है, वो समुद्र किनारे और ये लेक किनारे. Nepalese cultural folk dance program. उस साइड पे कल्चरल डांस वगैरह वो सब चल रहा है. आई मीन दैट्स अ रेस्टोरेंट विद दैट काइंड ऑफ एम्बियंस. इधर भी कुछ पब्स वगैरह है. हार्ट्स एंड टर्न्स मोटरसाइकिल क्लब. वाओ, गलती कर दिया यार, पोखरा पहले आना चाहिए था. यू कैन हैव अ कैंडल लाइट डिनर हियर, राइट? वाओ, लाइव बैंड. It's a nice place by the side of the lake Phewa in Pokhara, and the ambience is good. Live band, wonderful weather. What more do you need? Yeah, still now the night was amazing. Now we'll just have a dinner and then head back to the hotel. Okay, done with this wonderful dinner. Enjoyed it. I just wish I could have spent a few more nights in Pokhara. Anyways, tomorrow evening and tomorrow full day we do have. चलो होटल चल के फिर बात करते हैं.
She's